Alright, here we have a Unibind BCC-10 binding system. This system uses these, you have to purchase either a couple different styles. So you have this clear binder style, and there's actually glue down in the spine already. You also have some hardbacks. You can do it for photo books. You can get them with custom windows cut in the front and stuff like that, but you see there's glue down in there. So you take your books already made, line them all up. I'm just doing 5 to save on material, but you can do all 10 trays. Slide it in. In a couple seconds it'll begin its cycle. It's going to go try to grab the first 5 books, but there's obviously nothing there. It'll just continue its cycle. Obviously, as it's running, you can start setting up your next run. So your first process, grabs the book, drops it over, and there's a heating pad down below. That's what melts the glue. All the pages settle into it, making a nice binding. The complete cycle runs 90 seconds, so every 90 seconds 10 books will come out. After it completes one full cycle here, the doors will open up, ready for your next input. This machine will do up to a 12 millimeter spine, which I believe is about 80 pages you can do. So we're starting to get our books into the next station here, which is a crimper. So I'll drop it down and crimp it, and then move it on to be cooled. Once again, I do believe the covers you can buy are mostly designed for 8.5 by 11. You can do landscape as well, so the books will be standing up tall. Put in some hardbacks here. This machine runs on 230 single phase power, and it does require shop air. This machine's great for if you're doing small runs of the same size, different material. You can run different color covers, different window cutouts, whatever you want if you're doing photo books and such like that. Then when you would go to insert more, on the other end you'll see your books will be delivered to you. See, binding held. I just want to show you guys, I did accidentally fill these books too much, causing a jam in the machine, but as you can see it does bind, puts a nice crimp down on it. All the pages are held in there well. So that was operator error. I did put too much in the block, making it too thick for the grippers to pick up. But otherwise, great machine, runs very smoothly.